Hello there, welcome to AS Maths Pure June 2023 paper. Here we're looking at question 16. A curve has equation y equals f of x where x is greater than or equal to 0. And given that the differential is 4x plus a root x plus b where a and b are constants. The c has a stationary point at 4, 3 and the curve meets the y-axis at -5. Find f of x, giving your answer in simplest form. Okay, well let's deal with each of these bullet points turn by turn. If the curve has a stationary point at 4, 3, then what that means is the differential is 0 at that point. So f dash of 4 will equal 4 times 4 add a times root 4 add b, and that will equal 0 because of the fact it's a stationary point. So let's simplify the algebra on this. We've got 16 add 2a plus b equals 0. So therefore 2a plus b is minus 16. Okay, we'll park that simultaneous equation there for now. Let's now go back to the first bullet point. That's the differential. So I need to integrate it to get back to the original function. So therefore f of x is going to equal the integral of this expression here. So 4x becomes 2x squared. You increase the power by 1, divide by the new power. On a root x, you would treat this as ax to the half. So you increase the x to the power of 3 over 2. And then you divide by that number 3 over 2, so it becomes 2 over 3 a. And then the b, which is just a number, becomes bx. And then we'll also need a c on the end because that's what you always need when you integrate. The function definitely goes through coordinate 4, 3 because it tells us it has a stationary point at that point. So I can now substitute in the coordinate 4, 3. So 3 will be on this side, and it will be 2 times 4 squared, add 2 over 3a, 4 to the 3 over 2, add b times 4. Now I'm going to jump straight in and use this last bullet point. The curve meets the y-axis at -5. That means that c is equal to -5. So -5. Let's simplify the algebra on this. We're going to get 16 times 2 is 32. Add 4 to the power of 3 over 2. Let's just do that on the calculator, but you should be able to work it out in your head. It's 8 times 2/3. So that's 16 over 3a plus 4b minus 5. Let's move all the numbers onto the other side and leave a and b on the right, and then we've created our second simultaneous equation. So 3 is on the left, add the 5 onto the left, and then subtract 32. So 3 add 5, take away 32, and we get minus 24. Excellent, so now we've got our second simultaneous equation. So therefore, let's substitute that into the simultaneous equation mode in our calculator. And therefore, the simultaneous equations come out to be a is -15 and b is 14. Excellent. So now let's write out our f of x function with the values a, b, and c in them. So f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 2/5 of a, so that will be -10 x to the 3 over 2 plus 14x minus 5. And there we are. That's the answer to this question 16, worth a total of 6 marks. Excellent. Let's now move on to the final question in the paper, question 17.